जाहिर सी बात है तुम लोगों ने शूट कर लिया है पार्ट 2.
Yes.
Did you go watch the film as an
I have watched it twice myself.
Oh my god.
वो किसका मन नहीं करेगा यार फ्लिपराची पे डांस करने का?
Correct. That's so true. That's a
Go
great
back and listen to the song. He's the only one not dancing. Everyone else is dancing. Donga जो आप कैरेक्टर करने वाले हो, he's going to be part of this gang.
हाँ.
Of
लियारी गैंग.
लियारी गैंग.
लियारी गैंग के मेंबर है ब्रो. रहमान डकैत के गैंग मेंबर के साथ बैठी हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
नवीन यार, I know तू मेरा दोस्त है. मैंने कभी ऐसे नाजायज फायदा नहीं उठाया मेरे दोस्ती का कभी भी.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन आज मैं उठाऊंगी. कैसा है मेरा रणवीर?
He is.
ये कि आपको क्या मौका दिया आदित्य धर ने एज अ डायरेक्टर एंड हाउ डिड यू एंड योर स्किल्स एक्चुअली फ्लाई?
So the whole 2611 scene, the scene right before when Arjun Rampal's character tells Hamza that we know that there is a spy.
Yeah.
That moment, that scene, that sequence, it's
Nothing succeeds like success, and my friend Naveen is definitely reeling under all of his success, and we're very happy for him. Hi and welcome. This is Just Too Filmy. I'm Rotox. आपने हाल ही में धुरंधर देखी होगी. And the thing about a good film is that जब एक फिल्म अच्छा करती है, and I'm not talking business, जब एक फिल्म लोगों को पसंद आती है, जितने भी लोग उस फिल्म के साथ जुड़े होते हैं उन सबकी किस्मत या लाइफ जो है वो बदल जाती है, चाहे वो किरदार हो, चाहे वो DOPs हो, चाहे वो डायरेक्टर खुद हो. एंड आई थिंक धुरंधर हैज डन दैट. इट्स बीन अ रिसाउंडिंग सक्सेस एंड टुडे वी आर एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग टू नवीन अबाउट हाउ धुरंधर एंड इट्स सक्सेस हैज इम्पैक्टेड हिज लाइफ. हाय नवीन, इट्स सच अ प्लेजर टू हैव यू इन माय स्टूडियो. आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट वी आर डूइंग दिस.
yes.
I want to start by saying that you put up an Instagram post where you said that there were many months that this character, Donga, you lived with him. And there are two people that you thanked on the post. One is, of course, Aditya Dhar and the other was Ranveer Singh. I want to ask you about when did you know you were part of Dhurandhar? And when you knew that you were part of it, did you know that this is the scale of this film?
So I met Aditya after talking to Mukesh Chhabra ji in July last year. Okay. And he told me, he narrated most of the film to me. He said, I'm going to leave out bits and pieces because those are things that are very important for the movie and I don't want them leaked out. But he told me the scale of the film and I've heard many narrations and I felt कि यार ये film अच्छी तो होगी but can they pull it off? Like, okay, oh, all right, okay, they're going to do something in Pakistan. Oh, they're going to do something with this and they're going to do something with that. But when we were shooting in Bangkok, and that was the first schedule they had, and they had recreated Lahiri in Bangkok. It was 8 blocks of streets that had been converted into Pakistan. Row houses in Bangkok that had been turned into Lahiri streets, by lanes, shops, houses. And when we were shooting over there is when I realized, I think the scale of this film is huge.
Yeah, no?
उससे पहले आपको लगता नहीं है कि होने वाला है, but then you're like, so these are actual houses that people can stay in. You're like, yeah, हमारा crew अगर दिन में shoot नहीं हो रहा होता तो यहीं पे ठहरते मतलब. So people were living on the set while the shoot was going on. They could convert any lane into anything that people wanted. In fact, for 40 days, it was an actual township. There was a restaurant in it. There was a house that was dedicated to the costume department. There was a house that was dedicated to the makeup crew. There was a house that was dedicated to the action team. So it was an entire township. We would come in, shoot, go out, and those people would be there. So that's when I realized कि I think
स्केल अलग ही है.
ये फिल्म का स्केल अलग है. एंड एज इन जैसे जैसे शूट चलता गया, हम बैंकॉक से अमृतसर गए. अमृतसर में आई एम नॉट श्योर पीपल कैन टेल बट दे डिस्कवर्ड सम लोकेशंस व्हिच आर सो यूनिक. They're abandoned, they're pre-partition, there's a hospital over there which is surrounded by malls and big shops, but it's abandoned and we shot in that. So they have like looked at locations which usually you don't see in films.
Correct.
तो वो हुआ. Then Bombay में हमने करना शुरू किया. Then they went to Ladakh. That whole the song that has gone viral, Flipperacci, that song was shot in Ladakh 3 hours outside of Ladakh. We went to a location where खड़े होके you could look 360 degrees. हाँ, you could look 360 degrees and you would not see a single soul. So I'm like, वो सारी चीजें देख के after a point it settled in कि like, okay, you're part of something big, you know.
Oh man.
होने वाला है.
I want to talk to you about fame, you know, because the thing is that Naveen, you've been an improv actor for many years.
Yes.
Naveen has been so committed to the art of improv. He has made sure कि यार जितने भी लोग हों, it's almost like एक खुजली है जो दूसरों को देना है, okay? Where he'll be like, इन्होंने मुझसे कहा है कि Rohan, why don't you come for improv? कितनी बार? I've gone also. That's how we know each other actually.
Yes.
But it's so wonderful that you were dedicating your life to a certain art form, and I believe improv is the reason why you are part of Dhurandhar as well.
One of them, yes.
Which is, I think, amazing because people see your past work and they see your ability to do things in the future. And that's where improv comes in.
Yeah.
So do you want to talk about, पहले तो ये improv क्या है नवीन? पहले मेरी audience को बताइए और ये आपके लिए इतना खास क्यों है?
Improv is basically coming up with scenes, creating characters, creating moments on stage, but in a theatre style without the script. Theatre में script बड़ी important होती है, लेकिन improv के अंदर हम script को हटा देते हैं और हम अपने skills पर rely करते हैं. यहाँ पे आपका character work हो गया या आपका scene understanding हो गया या आपका एग्जिट्स एंट्रीज कैसे बनेंगी, क्यों बनेंगी, सीन का जो फ्लो होगा, सीन का जो ग्राफ होगा, वो आपको पता होना चाहिए और आप उसको लेते हुए स्टेज के ऊपर सीन्स क्रिएट करते हो. नाउ दे कैन बी फनी, दे कैन बी ड्रामेटिक, इट्स ऑल अप टू यू हाउ यू वांट टू interpret it to the audience. So I have been doing that for 16 years and I've been working with a lot of people, like you said.
16 years, man, amazing. और एक बहुत ही कमाल की चीज जो मैंने सीखी improv से, जो मैं अपने निजी जीवन में इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, which is yes and. And I think yes and करना, which is अगर कोई भी चीज, अगर आपको improv आप कर रहे हो और सामने वाला आर्टिस्ट बोले, for example, नवीन इस वक्त कहता है ये एक कबूतर है, तो मैं ये देख के ये नहीं कहूंगी नहीं ये एक मोबाइल फोन है, मैं कहूंगी हाँ ये कबूतर है, which is yes, and ये कबूतर नीले रंग का है.
So ये रंग का है और ये पाकिस्तान से है यहाँ पे स्पाई करने.
Exactly. So इससे क्या होता है कि आप उनके साथ कुछ क्रिएट कर रहे हो. पहले तो आप अपने को एक्टर को कह रहे हो कि जो आप कह रहे हैं वो सही है, लेकिन इसके साथ मैं कुछ ऐड करना चाहता हूँ. It has helped me so much in my life, okay? Because आप अगर yes and करना शुरू करो अपने corporate life में, अगर yes and शुरू करो अपने personal life में, अपने relationships में, अपने दोस्तों के साथ, you will realize how your relationships just transform. So I just wanted to like take a second
please,
talk about improv. But one of these abilities to say yes and one of the reasons why you were also cast is because you were given this free hand saying that we want an actor, Donga का जो किरदार है is going to be somebody who will also bring something to the table. So इसके बारे में बताइए कि आपको क्या मौका दिया आदित्य धर ने as a director and how did you and your skills actually fly?
So जब मैं आदित्य सर से मिला तो उन्होंने कहा कि डोंगा जो आप कैरेक्टर करने वाले हो, he's going to be part of this gang of
लियारी
gang
के मेंबर है bro. रहमान डकैत के गैंग मेंबर के साथ बैठी हूं मैं.
And उसके अंदर सारे जो gang members हैं, they're all you know these rugged, rough, always angry, sometimes brutal, but very stoic, ज्यादा बात नहीं करते, सारे ऐसे होने वाले हैं. लेकिन आपका जो and everyone's well built, everyone's tall, everyone's muscular, but you're the odd one out. You're the guy who's been with Rahman or maybe most of his life, and he's his bodyguard. He's the one Rahman trusts a lot when it comes to keeping him safe. But he's not that guy who's always gruff. I don't want that henchman जो मतलब हमेशा ऐसे खड़ा रहता है.
Yeah, you look like a family guy yourself.
Yeah. So he said, I need him to be light-hearted, but
real.
And there has to be that undertone of dread, threat होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो मेरे को चाहिए नहीं. मैं कहा okay sir, तो मैं फिर क्या करना है उसके अंदर? तो he said कि I've been told to do improv. So there'll be moments where if you can improvise stuff which is funny in the moment, कुछ हुआ है, maybe relieves the tension a little bit, I would be really happy. He's not the comic relief. but he has those moments where he's the guy who pulls everyone's legs. He's the guy who's always needling others. He's the guy who's always, cracking jokes at other people's expenses without being humiliating, without embarrassing anyone. But वो वाला character हर gang में एक होता है जो
एक vibe है.
एक vibe रहता है. तो उन्होंने कहा ये हमारे को चाहिए होगा कुछ scenes के अंदर जहाँ पे आप, क्योंकि मैंने सोचा नहीं है उसके बारे में, लेकिन जब मेरे को मुकेश सर ने बताया आपका कि आप ये भी करते, तो I want you to bring something into it. So there are moments in the film which places where Aditya sir would come to me and say, Naveen, यहाँ पे कुछ हम बना सकते हैं. कहाँ से? बिल्कुल ले लो. So there's this sequence where उज़ैर जो है, दानिश का जो कैरेक्टर है, वो हमजा को अब हमारी जो फैक्ट्री है वो दिखा रहा होता है जहाँ पे गन्स बनती हैं. He comes in and he starts shooting guns at a car. तो इनिशियली वाज कि वो गन शूट करता है, सारे रिएक्ट करते हैं, एंड देन दे हैव द कन्वर्सेशन. वहां पे आदित्य सर है कि यार नवीन यू सिटिंग राइट नेक्स्ट टू वेयर इज गोना शॉट, कैन वी डू समथिंग? सो वी स्टार्टेड रिफिंग ऑन, ओ ये बोलेंगे तुम कह रहे मेरी फट गई, ये हो गया, फलाना हो गया, तुम कह. सो देन दैट्स वेयर वी केम अप विद द लाइन कि अरे पहले बता देते, सलवार में पखाना निकाल दिया आपने. सो दैट वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम डूइंग द सीन्स. In fact, the most quoted line that I've gotten from a lot of people, which is Balochi nahi marta isse, which is at the final fight sequence.
We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that.
That was also improvised. I was in the moment. I said something. Aditya sir came to me and said, I don't know if it works. I said, give it a try. आप edit देखना बाद में आपको. So that, given the space to have, it's such a tight script. It's such a well-written script, and in that, someone like Aditya sir, who's worked on this script for almost 7-8 years, gives me the leeway to come up with lines. I was like, I mean, इससे ज़्यादा grateful क्या होगा? इससे ज़्यादा opportunity क्या मिलेगी? And I was able to
also, you worked with some great directors, yeah. Whether it's Shimit Amin in Rocket Singh or whether it's an Aditya. I'm sure you have your point of view on what gets the best out of you. So I'm fascinated with Aditya Dhar's mind. You know, there's a guy who sat for so many years, dreamed up this massive saga because nobody went in expecting this sort of world building of Dhurandhar, right? And this really seems like the setup film, and to take their time. So I want to ask you, क्या वो निजी जीवन में भी does he take his time? Is he a calm person?
He's a very calm person. Like I remember मेरा जब action sequence हो रहा था उस दिन because of certain reasons थोड़ा सा end of the day rush चालू हो गया था उसके अंदर. And there were a lot of frantic voices instructing me in that moment कि अभी ये होगा. कैमरा की टीम से भी आ रहे थे, एक्शन टीम से भी आ रहे थे, कॉस्ट्यूम टीम वाला भी आ रहा, मेकअप वाला आ रहा, सारे मेरे को समझाने कि ये करो. And I was getting a little flustered. That's when Aditya sir stepped in and said, एक सेकंड, सब quiet, नवीन तू मेरी सुन. ये मेरे को ये चाहिए, मेरे को ये चाहिए, मेरे को ये चाहिए, बाकी मैं कर लूंगा, तू ये मेरे को दे दे, बाकी छोड़. And he has done that so many times. Over 200 days of shoot. मेरा उनके साथ 40 दिन का shoot था. I can tell you in those 40 days of shoot, I have not seen him lose his cool. In the toughest of situations where you would think कि यार यहाँ पे तो कोई भी पागल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे कोई भी भड़क पड़ेगा. The only time he has raised his voice is when those two rally scenes were happening. So he had to instruct like 1,000 people. वहाँ पे he had to raise his voice on the mic. Otherwise, never. He never raised his voice with any actor. He never raised his voice with any technician. He never raised his voice with anyone from the crew. Even if, the गलती हो गई, कई 2-3 जगह ऐसी भारी गलतियां हुई हैं जहाँ पे रीसेट में काफी घंटे वेस्ट हो गए. Never lost his cool.
क्या करें यार?
Yeah. He was like, I know what I need. ठीक है, ये part and parcel है. We're doing something at such a large scale where things are bound to, everything is not going to be 100% perfect.
Correct.
So there are going to be mistakes.
Correct.
So I really, and him and Vikas Nolakha, who's the DOP of the thing, I worked with Vikas on Rocket Singh. I knew,
wow, yeah,
yes,
of course,
it was a reunion for us. Me and his team, we worked on Rocket Singh together.
Correct.
And both of them, heads of department, direction and camera, the calmest people, the chillest people I have ever seen. I've seen directors who scream. I have seen DOPs that scream. On people they're not supposed to.
Yeah, of course.
These two.
What's your favorite scene? Did you go watch the film as an
I have
audience?
watched it twice myself.
Oh my God! How surreal is it to watch it?
It's insane. It's you don't, because I mean I knew the script, but you haven't been for the whole shoot.
Yeah, bilkul, yeah.
When you see what they've created, like the whole 2611 scene, the scene right before when they Arjun Rampal's character tells Hamza that we know that there is a spy.
Yeah. Yeah.
That moment, that scene, that sequence, it's spine chilling. It's
yeah.
spine, and there is something that happens. There's a torture scene that happens later on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did not know that was going to come on screen, and it's part of the trailer, and the trailer cuts off at a very particular point.
Yeah.
I was like,
ouch.
ये allow हो गया.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that scene, man, it's insane.
And Sanjay Dutt on Hawa Hawa. We've not spoken about this enough, guys. I know Rahman Daket's like, Boos Boos is a great song, okay? Flipperachi, all of that is great. But my sort of nostalgia moment is when Hawa Hawa plays in this white desert, and there's, Baba, and there's Hawa Hawa. And I'm just like, क्या music? पूरी पिक्चर में भाई तुम लोगों को पता था कि ये म्यूजिक चलने वाला है तुम्हारे साथ?
किसी को नहीं आइडिया.
अरे
I think Shashwat knew. I think Aditya knew, and Ojas, who was the director's assistant. These are the three people who knew what music they were going to use. And like for us,
so you weren't shooting with a Rambaho?
No, not at all. Where there was no clue. Like there were moments. So as an actor over time, you develop a sense कि okay ये sequence के अंदर ना कुछ background music होगा, ऐसा होगा, ये करेंगे. So you start modifying your performance according to it.
Correct.
Aditya would come in like मत change करो, ऐसे करो, ये करो. And I'm like यार यहाँ पे तो montage होने वाला ना, यार यहाँ पे तो action sequence हो रहा है ना, तो यहाँ पे तो ऐसा music होएगा ही ना. किसी को पता नहीं था. किसी को पता नहीं था जो म्यूजिक उन्होंने यूज किया है कि ऐसा आने वाला है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल I have, like, there was the first time I watched it, there is a moment where Sanjay Dutt walks into the LTF office and it's jazz music playing.
Yes.
And I'm like,
क्या ही
jazz music क्यों चल रहा है? But then that scene morphs into another where the jazz music makes sense. So you're like, oh,
nice.
Okay, ये है हवा हवाई का आना, या जो ये ना तो कारवा की तलाश है. क्या beautiful, मतलब it's a new age song, not an olden Goldie. They've changed music. They've used such riffs from other songs so beautifully to bring in like both audiences from the past and the present and bring them together. Like I've been listening to the album on loop for the last 1 week.
I think it's such a great soundtrack. You should listen to it. But what's also a bonus is the soundtrack in the soundtrack, which is that film में जो गाने हैं, which are not like the soundtrack of the, how do you say, background में जो गाने चल रहे हैं भाई, वो तो अलग ही चल रहा है, वो तो अलग ही scene चल रहा है. I think it's insane.
अरे मेहंदी हसन के गाने चल रहे हैं. Almost every shop that they stop at, वहाँ पे पीछे मेहंदी हसन के गाने चल रहे हैं. Which like
मजा आ रहा है.
गायब हो गए थे.
मजा आ रहा है.
फिल्म में वापस आए हैं वो. And again मैं बोलूंगा कि आप खुद जाके जो गाना चल रहा है, अगर आप उस पर ध्यान दें, क्योंकि हम सीन पर ध्यान देते हैं. अच्छा ये दो एक्टर बैठे हैं, उनका डायलॉग है. सेकेंड व्यूइंग में मैंने गानों पे ध्यान दिया कि अच्छा ये गाना, the song is talking something about what is happening in the scene or is going to happen next. So it's like, oh ये भी सोच रखा है, यही नहीं कि चला दिया.
नवीन यार, I know तू मेरा दोस्त है, मैंने कभी ऐसे नाजायज फायदा नहीं उठाया मेरे दोस्ती का कभी भी. लेकिन आज मैं उठाऊंगी और मैं पूछूंगी कैसा है मेरा रणवीर.
He's a prince.
Yeah, no.
He's a prince because he made everyone feel special. The way he, like, एक ना आपको, when you work with a star, you feel there is an unwritten rule कि यार star आ गया set पे, आपको जाके sir नमस्ते sir कहते. He would come to everyone. You would not even know. He would creep up on you sometimes, like, hey डोंगा यूं करके चला, कहाँ से आ गए ये. He would come in and do that to every single person, make everyone feel special. He had an inside joke with almost all actors. एक छोटा कुछ भी moment का, just to make you feel कि you're here. Not feel that now no one gives a damn about us because the star's here. If the star's giving a damn about you, then everyone else is going to be like, okay, let's not dismiss these people.
Yeah.
So he made every scene that he was in, with me at least, with others as well that I saw while they were shooting, he would just come in and break that ice, make them feel comfortable, not feel intimidated कि अरे हम stars के साथ हैं, हम अच्छी acting कर दिया, वो कर दिया.
Because see, that's not the tone of the film. In the film, he's coming into your gang. And I feel for that to be real, is also something that is important, that he kind of like has a bond with y'all.
Yeah.
Because all of it translates on the screen, because I know at many points y'all are suspicious of him. Y'all are looking at him in a certain way, and he needs to win your trust. And I feel like that has been done so beautifully. And I think even on the screen, it's believable.
Completely.
Because of this star quality of not being a star. Like he just has this chameleon quality of blending in, right? But if I was in your place, I would just at points just look at him act. And I feel like that is one of the most amazing things about him. He's such a fine actor.
Yeah. I mean, the speech he gives when Rahman asks, "Meko hame badla lena chahiye ki nahi?" That I've seen that. I am sitting next to him while he stands and gives his speech. Multiple takes. Every time something new, something interesting, kept adding it. The 2611 sequence, I'm standing right behind him.
Yeah.
You could feel the energy of what the guy is going through. Yeah. We know what he's going through. We're supposed to act, कि हमें नहीं मालूम, ये तो अपना भाई है, ये भी खुश होगा. But you could feel the energy of the actor when he's trying to get into the moment of,
It's because of me. Yeah.
It's because of me what is happening.
मैं अंदर थी फिल्म के दोस्त.
It's genuinely and I am आजकल बड़ी डिबेट हो रही है कि किसने अच्छी एक्टिंग कर दी फिल्म के अंदर, कौन ज्यादा the amount he has held back, because the character is not someone who's trying to get attention.
Yes.
The character is not someone who's trying to get attention. I want people to know this about Hamza, about Ranveer. His character is not trying to get attention. And it is very difficult when the world expects a star कि sir आप तो screen पे आओ और वो रोक के him trying to do it. There were moments where Aditya sir had to go and be like, Ranveer, remember, keep remembering, this guy he's moving behind the scenes. वो लोगों को manipulate कर रहा है, वो उनसे करवाओ, कहते हैं कंधे पे बंदूक रख के चला रहा है.
ऐसे पता है मुझे लोग. I feel it.
Yeah. So he's done such a performance where आपका मन भी कर रहा है ना कि मैं अभी ऐसा लुक दे दूं, मैं अभी ऐसा कुछ कर, वो नहीं करना है, वो रोक के रखना है. किसका मन नहीं करेगा यार फ्लिपराची पे डांस करने का?
Correct. That's so true.
Go back and listen to the song. He's the only one not dancing. Everyone else is dancing. The entire gang is dancing. Uzair is dancing. Rahman is dancing. Shirani, wo leader.
You were there, no? And
I was dancing. Everyone was dancing.
Wait 1 second. We're going to talk about this moment. Like, of course, it's gone viral. पागल हो गए. मतलब ऐसे किसे पता था कि ये होगा? You can never predict these things. But when you were there, did you feel that energy? Like, was it really as joyous as it looks?
It was.
Wow.
I think the space, we shot it in Ladakh, like I told you. 2 घंटा हम Ladakh शहर से दूर थे, बाहर थे. The space. B, we had it was towards the end of the entire shoot.
Schedule, yeah.
Of the entire schedule. So बड़े जो sequences थे वो खत्म हो चुके थे. Action खत्म हो चुका है. Dramatic scenes खत्म हो चुके हैं. I think there was a tremendous weight for a lot of actors and crew that had lifted off their shoulders कि यार we're at this last खत्म होने वाला है.
क्या बात है.
तो एक पूरा सेट पे माहौल ये था कि यार we've done it, we've almost, हाँ थोड़ा रह गया है लेकिन यहाँ के बाद तो it's smooth sailing. So I think everyone in that moment was like in a light mood. Akshay sir, because of his character, he adopted a demeanor where he would hold his energy, because if you look at Rahman and his performance, which I think is fabulous, Rahman is held, and then he explodes, and then he comes back, hold, then he explodes and comes back. For that explosion of the personality, you need a lot of energy on set, and to do it over and over and over again, you need to not expend it in frivolity off camera.
Yeah.
तो रहते थे, ऐसा नहीं था कि वो किसी से बात नहीं करते थे, लेकिन वो मस्ती मजाक में वो नहीं होते थे. यहाँ पे उस दिन he was like chatting with people, he was looking up people.
That day, he was like, okay.
So you could, I mean, you sensed it, but you wouldn't realize कि कुछ होने वाला है. But एक बड़ा calm सा माहौल, chill सा माहौल था. And then the song is such a earworm song. मतलब,
did you guys shoot on this track?
We did.
Okay, then.
This is the one track I can
this
say.
This track was there. Okay.
It was because the choreography was, the dancers were dancing to the song. when we heard it, we like, ये कहाँ का गाना है, ये तो सुना तो नहीं है, ये किसका गाना है? We kept going up to आदित्य, सर ये गाना कौन सा है? नहीं बोल रहे, ये करके चले जाते। अच्छा ठीक है, कुछ बनाया होगा, नहीं बता रहे होंगे। A couple of people tried to record the things, तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने उनको भी प्लीज मत करो, नहीं वो please.
So they knew.
They knew something's
Yeah.
going to happen.
Yeah, yeah.
And then when the whole song started, we could hear it. We were off, like वहाँ पे उनका rehearsal हो रहा था कोई dancers का, हमको सुनाई दे रहा था। और मुझे किसी ने आके बोला ये बलूची ट्राइबल म्यूजिक, मैंने कहा अच्छा होगा।
Who would know?
Who would know?
Correct.
We wouldn't know.
Correct.
And it has that tone also. So we weren't well versed in what Baluchi music is. We're like,
Yeah,
okay, must be something. Kya hoga? We get there, we get into that camp, we get into the area where the whole thing is happening. And then when we saw what the choreography was, how it was done, and एक बार हुआ, break हुआ for something, बात चल रही है वहाँ पे, अक्षय सर गए आदित्य से
क्या
बात।
हॉट है यार अक्षय खन्ना। सॉरी बोलना था मुझे।
है तो सही, है तो सही, है ना बहुत।
इसके अंदर करते क्या लोगों से? करते
हैं, लेकिन ठीक है, उठ गए वो, ऊपर जा चुके हैं।
क्या बात?
He went and spoke to Aditya and okay, retake है हमने, ठीक है retake, हमें तो बताया गया था कि चलते जाना है। Came in, I think some point, and I think he was laughing at that time also with a lot of people around, which through the entire shoot he hadn't done. He broke into a dance and everyone else started looking at each other. करना है क्या? करना है, कर सकते हैं, सर कर रहे हैं तो हम भी कर सकते हैं। हमने तो मैंने तो अपना कैरेक्टर पकड़ लिया, अरे रहमान भाई कर रहे हैं तो डोंगा क्यों नहीं करेगा, ये चालू हो गया। So everyone started one by one going into it and it just became like, because that's that one moment, if you look at it from the perspective of the film, that's that one moment where Rahman Dakat is not the notorious bloodthirsty gangster ready to kill at the drop of a hat.
Yeah.
He's just one of the guys.
Yeah.
He's having fun. He's laughing. He's chit-chatting.
Boys चल रहा है, boys moment चल रहा है.
So that, I think one of the reasons, my personal understanding would say that it stands out because हम पहली बार रहमान डकैत को हंसते हुए देखते हैं.
So true.
वरना कहीं और मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए.
मैं वेट कर रही थी ना, see by the time it was day 1 of Dhurandhar, day 3 actually, Friday को film release हुई, Sunday सुबह को I realized that this song and this dance has gone viral. So I have watched it on Monday night because I just wanted to wait. Monday की रात जब मैंने film देखी, I have now been a शिकार of this problem. I'm waiting for this song. I'm like, कब आएगा ये गाना? कब आएगा ये गाना? I was like, अब तो नहीं आ सकता यार, उसका बेटा मर गया है. So you know, because then you're just like, अरे, it's not natural for this to happen. So by the time the song came, I was so excited. I think the audience was also so excited. People are waiting for a moment in a cinema after so long. And I think that's amazing. So I think it's like it's goosebumps. And you know, you're part of it.
Yes. And I'm back there and doing my donga dance and
Donga dance. I want to ask you what it's like to be in the eye of like a storm, you know, where it's not like you haven't been acting before. You've gotten super heaps of appreciation for the way you played this cruel boss in Rocket Singh, for example. So there are movies that you've done in the past. There are movies that you've been appreciated for as an actor. People in the industry तो जानते भी, तो ऐसे नहीं है कि भाई नवीन पहली बार. People know you. लोग आपसे वाकिफ हैं, आपके काम से वाकिफ हैं. But this is different because the scale of this, the success of this is definitely different. What does that do to a person? I want to know. What is it like in your personal life?
In my personal life, I would say वो एक होता ना कि there was that one thing missing because everyone comes to Bombay, A for work, B for success, 3 for fame. ये 3 चीजें सबको चाहिए होती हैं. काम मुझे मिल गया. Success मुझे मिल गया in different fields, not necessarily this. I got it in improv, I got it with ये जवानी है दीवानी करी, that was a big blockbuster. पर वो जो फेम होता है ना जहाँ पे लोग सड़क चलते, लाइक परसों मैं कहीं पे था, एक कपल ने अपनी गाड़ी बीच सड़क में रोक दी मेरे से मिलने के लिए और पीछे जैम हो गया और जैम वाले मेरे को गालियां दे रहे हैं. मैंने कहा मेरी गलती नहीं है, इन्होंने रोकी है.
So serious.
मैंने उस समय मोमेंट ऑफ एरोगेंस था, लेके मैं कहा एक कहानी है, रजनीकांत ने गाड़ी रुकवा दी थी और जैम हो गया था और अब मैंने करवा दिया है. एक छोटा सा अपने लिए कर रहा था कि मैं ओके मैंने भी कर दिया. बट दैट वो फेम जो होता है कि लोग आपसे मिलना चाह रहे हैं, लोग आपके साथ फोटो खिंचवाना चाह रहे हैं, दूर भाग भाग के आ रहे हैं आपके पास, वो एक एक्टर का लालच होता है, वो मेरे को मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't change me, but you do feel कि यार हाँ ये मिस कर रहा था मैं.
Also,
I wanted people to come and recognize me for my
your
work.
work,
I
yeah.
wanted people to be like, we just love you, we just love what you've done. Sir, आप
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छे.
Yeah.
ये those things are, that's surreal. That's like, oh okay, I
this
should.
is what it feels like.
This is what it is like. This is what all the stars feel every day. And yeah, I mean,
So
I
it's
wanted
true
a taste
when
of
you
that.
say there's nothing succeeds like success.
Exactly the line that you used at the
Yeah,
beginning. Yeah,
nothing. Yeah, ऐसे कभी और कोई चीज, nothing comes close to this.
Yeah.
How amazing is that? Are you missing your me time? You're like, no. No, I don't want me time.
I suddenly realized कि we can say whatever we want to say about stars. We can say how we can criticize them for n number of things. Dude, it takes energy to meet people and always have a smile on your face and then give an interview and then go to the next one and then in between do reels and then have click photos with people, then go to another place and then people over there want to. It takes a lot to just smile all day and be humble and be polite and.
Ask me about it.
Well, you also, man.
No, I was just kidding. I was just having fun. But no, it's great because at the end of the day, I also feel like there's been a reason why Dhurandhar is so protected. If you notice, the trend is that the fans are defending the film. It's a big thing. Why? Because I feel like, yaar, it's about time that we stand for our cinema and say that, yaar, मुझे ये film बहुत अच्छी लगी. इस फिल्म के बारे में कुछ मत बोलना. There will be opinions. There will be people who will say that, hey man, I think it's too hyper-masculine. I think it's too violent. And we're a democracy, and I feel like all of those things also need their space, which is all fine. But do you feel like the fans are owning this film?
Oh, completely. I think बहुत टाइम से फिल्मों में से मोमेंट्स वायरल हो रहे थे, गाने वायरल हो रहे थे. ये फिल्म वायरल हो गई है. Right?
True.
Every moment from this film is being analyzed, is being loved, is being turned into a meme or a video. Every character. There are so many videos and reels that people have made of, underrated actors rediscovered in Dhurandhar.
Yes.
Rakesh Bedi,
Yes.
Gaurav Ghera, Naveen Kaushik.
Yes.
People are talking about the smallest of characters. अच्छा वो आया था, वो रिक्शे वाला था जिसने जो रहमान डकैत को हॉस्पिटल लेके जाता है, वो लड़का, ये उनका बेटा. Everyone's being talked about. Every moment is being talked about. I think what you rightly said, the music is so phenomenal. It's like a soundtrack you haven't heard in a long time.
Yeah.
Some people say it's experimental. I think it's trying to bring two different worlds together.
Yeah.
The past and the present. कि अच्छा ये भी है, ये भी इनको मिलाओ. So it's just everything has become so loved कि अब होता है ना कि आप ले लेते हो किसी चीज को, पर्सनल बना लेते हो, तो उसको आप डिफेंड भी करोगे. And you will not want to hear anything bad about it. It's like I think people feel that they've made it. The audience feels कि हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है. और वो अच्छा है. Like I think that is something that a movie, if a movie can generate that.
I love it because I think that that's who we are as a cinema watching nation, right? हमें फिल्में अच्छी लगती हैं, फिल्में हमारी जिंदगी है, and we are very proud of our stories. So I feel like that is another thing that I want to talk about. I do want to take this to your final scene. Sorry guys, this part will have spoilers, so don't mind. If you watched the interview until now, thank you. But if you haven't watched Dhurandhar, then come back later.
Yes.
Okay. But let's talk about the last scene.
Yeah.
The scene where, you know what I really appreciated about that scene is that हर character को इज्जत मिली. And I think that that's important because I think that this film, treated everybody in a certain equality. It's not कि रणवीर सिंह के किरदार को क्या हुआ और संजय दत्त के किरदार को क्या हुआ. We were equally invested in saying कि यार Donga is not just going to die, he's going to have a glorious death. Because Donga stands for something. And I think that gave your character a backstory that we had never seen.
Yeah.
That this man is proud of being Balochi. This man is not going to go down and he stands for something.
Yeah.
Do you think that did it for you as well?
Of course. मतलब मेरे को किसी ने बोला कि मेरे एक दोस्त ने बताया कि यार I'm really happy you got the action sequence that you got because normally फिल्मों में क्या होता था, विलन का हेंचमैन है तो एक गोली लगेगी, खत्म, आगे बढ़ते विलन की तरफ, फाइट की तरफ जाते। बट यहाँ पे डोंगा एक कैरेक्टर है, ही इज समवन दैट इन द फिल्म 2 or 3 times रहमान डकैत है सेट की चिंता मत कर, डोंगा है मेरे साथ, डोंगा जा रहा है। सो आपको एक कैरेक्टर बनाया गया, एंड देन यू बीन गिवन मोमेंट्स वेयर यू कैन बिकम दैट कैरेक्टर थ्रू द सीन वर्क। सो व्हेन यू हैव दैट मोमेंट वेयर दिस इज द एंटागनिस्ट ऑफ योर फिल्म, इसके आसपास के उसने मैन्यूवर करके सारा गैंग अलग कर दिया, बनाया है उसने, और हमजा ने धीरे धीरे कर अलग कर दिया, ये यहाँ चले गए, वो वहां चले गए, ही इज ब्रॉट दैट टू दैट पॉइंट। लेकिन ये लास्ट डिफेंसेस हैं इसके, दे हैव टू बी ब्रॉट डाउन, एंड दीज आर डिफेंसेस, दिस इज नॉट लाइक अरे हीरो है तो कुछ भी कर लेगा। दैट इज द वल्नरेबिलिटी दैट आई थिंक रणवीर सिंह ब्रॉट टू हिज कैरेक्टर वाज, he's the hero but he can get hurt.
He's the hero but of course the rest of them are all there now.
He has to fight them.
Sorry, but it's true. I'm very invested in this sequence. Yes.
So when Aditya sir was designing or narrating the sequence to us, he told everyone कि ये होगा, and then I'm going to break it down between डोंगा के साथ ये हो रहा है, रहमान और उनके साथ ये हो रहा है, और मेरा वहां पे था सर आप इंटरकट करोगे क्योंकि आपकी एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, एंटागनिस्ट तो ये चला गया, वहां पे संजय दत्त और अक्षय खन्ना कर रहे हैं, तो मेरे को कौन देखेगा? तूने कहा नहीं मेरे को ये चाहिए बिकॉज आई नीड द वर्ल्ड टू सी, आई नीड टू सी कि इस बंदे ने ये गैंग जो है ना ये लोगों को हराया है। Hamza, who's been sent into this world where even the person who loves him the most, trusts him the most, finds out who he is, they will kill him. He has gone and dismantled these people. Everyone needs to be that terrible, that horrible कि यार इनको हरा दिया उसने. So we need to give Donga that just
glorious
death कि वो खड़ा पूरी LTF से लड़ रहा है.
It's so glorious. Like he walks on that screen. It's a screen with just Naveen Kaushik where he's just like, I'm gonna take on all of you, and then he dies. Of course, sorry, but I thought that was nice.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very grateful to Aditya sir for doing that, because you don't you after a point of time you stop expecting stuff, but you want it.
Yeah.
And instead of me expecting, he said, I need this.
I need it,
So when a director comes to an actor and says, I need this, that's where the actor goes like, sir, जान ले लो जरा.
जान ले लो यार, दिल चीज क्या है?
अब उन्होंने बोला मेरे को कि वो ग्रेनेड पे लग के तू एक्सप्लोड कर, मैं कहा सर फाड़ दो.
मैं कर लूंगा, मैं एक्सप्लोड हो जाऊंगा.
जितना करना है आपने.
जाहिर सी बात है तुम लोगों ने शूट कर लिया है पार्ट 2.
Yes. नहीं दे सकता स्पॉयलर्स, कोई स्पॉयलर्स नहीं दे सकता मैं.
कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, ठीक है, लेकिन आज नहीं बता पाएंगे बिकॉज इट्स टू सून आई थिंक.
एक चीज मैं बोल सकता हूँ,
बोलना
एक चीज मैं बोल सकता हूँ. आपने पार्ट 1 में जो देखा है ना, द एक्शन, द मिस्ट्री, द मैनिपुलेशन is going to be ramped up by 50.
Sure.
Because I have seen it being done. It is 50 times of what you have seen in the first.
तुम लोगों ने शूट कर लिया?
शूट कर लिया.
अरे दोस्त, इसको तो सब पता है.
शूट सब हो चुका है.
कैमरा बंद करो, मुझे धुरंधर 2 की नरेशन चाहिए अभी मैं लूंगी मेरे दोस्त नवीन से. I don't think we waited so much for a film in so long.
I don't think so. I have, so I'm not in part 2. I know what happens.
I wonder why.
I know what happens. नहीं वो क्या है ना यार.
क्या था पार्ट 1 में?
Actually यार मेरे को ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी नहीं मिली यार पार्ट 1 में. मैं पार्ट 2 में नहीं आया.
मैं नहीं कर रहा.
नहीं but.
Oh yeah, I forgot now.
What?
But you are there, what, in part 2?
नहीं.
Then how you know?
स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी है.
अच्छा.
और दूसरे लोगों ने शूट किया तो उन सेट पे बातें होती थी.
अच्छा.
And
guys, the one thing we want in Dhurandhar 2 is छोटा डोंगा.
Excuse me?
जो बदला लेने आता है.
अच्छा, okay.
Think about it. हम ये फिल्म बढ़ाते,
डोंगा का बच्चा आ गया.
हाँ, डोंगा बच्चा, और वो अब तेरा बदला लेगा. आदित्य सर, प्लीज मुझे हायर कर लो.
हाँ, रीशूट करते हैं सर. I can be CG किया है सर, मेरे को बेबी बना सकते हैं सर, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
No, it's so wonderful. I'm so happy that you took time out. I do want to ask you, is there anything? See, you can't talk about Dhurandhar 2, but can you talk about other things?
Yeah.
Or is it too soon?
No, what do you want to know about?
Where else do we see you next year?
Next year, Feb में सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी और मृणाल ठाकुर की एक फिल्म आ रही है, दो दीवाने शहर में.
जी हाँ.
मैं उसके अंदर.
धर्मा की फिल्म है ना?
भंसाली प्रोडक्शंस की है।
Oh, sorry. बंसाली
हाँ।
प्रोडक्शंस है ना?
हाँ।
Very good.
तो मैं उसमें आ रहा हूँ।
एक सेकंड।
उसके अंदर आई एम हाँ, तो उसके अंदर
That's
so I'll be there again. I'm playing the boss.
अच्छा,
But this time
तुम मेरे ऑफिस में भी बैठ जाओ, मेरे कैबिन में,
हाँ,
तुम बन जाओ बॉस यहाँ पे।
मैं कहीं पे भी बन सकता हूँ, मेरे को कहीं पे भी फिट करा दो, मैं बॉस बन जाऊंगा, ऐसी कोई
Exactly.
टेंशन। But I'm a nicer boss this time. I'm someone who's supportive of Siddhant's character,
How lovely.
and eggs him on to do better in life instead of ridiculing him.
That's lovely.
So that was a nice turn of the
Of you,
character for
of
me.
you, yeah.
For me to be doing
Yeah.
that, and it'll be nice because people who've known me for the boss characters over many years have seen me as Donga, and then they'll see me as the boss again. So मैं sir resume में दोनों character हैं, बताइए कौन सा चाहिए आपको?
हाँ बताएं सर, आप बताएं. It's so wonderful, Naveen,
Thank
to sit down with you and talk to you about this, because by talking to you is, of course, one, chronicling your own personal journey, which is very special. This is why we did this. But also the fact that as fans, we get to, just be inside the world of Liari a little more and just to be a little closer to Dhurandhar. So thank you for allowing us that
Thank you so
opportunity.
much
I
for
hope
having
you had
me.
a good time.
अरे wonderful. It's always wonderful with you. Hi, मैं हूँ नवीन कौशिक और मैं हूँ Just 2 फिल्मी पे रो टॉक्स के साथ. Subscribe to the channel.